Hey guys, wow, today we got here lovely BMW 1995 2-liter petrol. It's E34. Lovely interior. It's a classic though. Customer states gears not engaging, so today we're going to replace clutch slave cylinder. Because it's quite old car, we can't get this part from outside the dealer, so we had to go through the dealer. It's a quite solid slave. There's no plastic, it's proper metal one. This is a part number. Slave cylinder location is very easy. Just jack it up from the passenger side and bingo, here we go. Looks to me it's kind of straightforward job. Yes, it's a holding with the 13mm bolt. Yeah, I can see a tiny little leak. It's kind of most probably is age relative. And slave holding with the two 13mm bolt. Yeah, this is the O part. Yeah, it looks like it. And the yeah, this is the new one. Nah, BMW genuine. Let me put the new slave in there. And yeah, I need to use the both hand. And don't forget to put that bracket. The clutch hose comes with a little bracket, like a secure bracket. හත හය වගේ ඕනේ.
පරණ nipple එක තියෙන මේ size එක උතුම් වෙන්නේ.
හරි. දැන් යන්න ඕනේ bottle එක ගන්න. Yeah, now I'll show you the bleeding process. And is the clutch fluid vessel. Oh yeah, here we go. This is the clutch fluid vessel, and we're gonna connect our pressurized bleeding bottle to this reservoir, and the gonna pump it up. $15 psi. And the I'm gonna connect a separate bottle over here to collect all extra fluid which is coming from the nipple. Leave it for a bit until all bubbles come out. You can see the bubbles coming out.
බාන්න අරගේ බටේ දිගේ බට මෙගුව යනවාද කියලා බ්‍රේක් ෆ්ලුයිඩ් බෝතලේ බටේ දිගේ යනවාද? එතකොට ෆියට් එක කොපි කරලා තියෙන්නේ BMW එකකින් ඈ?
කියලා දැන් BM ළම එක ගහලා තියෙන්නේ 2000.
I'm gonna leave until all bubbles.
මගුලක් කතා කරනවා මේක 95ක.
Yeah, until all bubbles coming out. Then I'm gonna tighten the nipple and gonna try the gears, whether it's engaging the gears.
උගේ brake fluid නිසා ටිකක් පෙරෙන්න අරහන්.
ඔව්.
Then we're gonna tighten the nipple. Oops. Just excess oil. Let me clean around the surface. And the job done, just need to go for a test drive. Yeah guys, that's it for this video, and the thank you for watching, and the if you like our video, just don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and the we'll see you another video. Thank you for watching guys.